to start the workshops now. All the faculty honoring the tradition of Dr. Ramurthy were actually before time, which is it's a great respect to him. And so we will start the procedures in the theatre, and that will all get transmitted online. I have also requested them to have a image here immediately. Please start the process. I joined this department in '94. That is exactly 10 years after Dr. Mani spoke to you. And we also, at that time, we got a lot of donations, and we procured an endoscope, a full neuro endoscope, quite